Hello everyone, today we are going to make a paper lantern. So let's get started. So first we need a thin cardboard, some coloring pages, glue or fevicol, scissor, cutter, pencil and a scale. First take a thin cardboard and draw the side rectangle that is visible on screen. Like this you have to make 4. You can also make 6 of 6 sides, but I am making 4. You also have to make the upper and lower part. So now we have to cut this. So I have made the 4 and the upper part also. Now we have to cut the inner triangles. You can use cutter to cut this and scale also. So I have cut like this. Like this you have to cut the other triangles also. So I have cut, and you have to fold the side part of the rectangle like this. So like this we have to cut all the rectangles. So I have cut it. So now take the coloring pages and cut the triangles and the diamonds. It should be the big size of the that we have make the triangle inside the rectangle. Now we have to stitch it. You can take any color of your choice. It should be the coloring, so it will look nice. It should be bigger so we can stick it easily. So now one side is ready. Like this we have to stick all the rectangles and triangles. So I have sticked all triangles. So now we have to attach it with glue. We have to apply glue on the folded part, and like this we have to stick. I am making the cuboid shape, so I am attaching only 4. You can also attach 6. So now it's ready. Now we have to stick the upper and lower part also. So I have made, you can use any cardboard and draw the square of the same size of the rectangle sides. Like this you have to stick it. Also the lower part we have to stick. I have forgotten to stick it. Same we have to stick as we have stick the upper part. If you are making the 6 sides, you need to make the hexagon. But I am making the 4 sides, so I had made the square. Now stick the last part also, last side also. So now it's ready. You can insert the string light or fairy light, so it will look the coloring. You can put it on the dining table or table. It will look really nice. Happy Diwali to all my friends and fans. Thanks for watching and happy Diwali.